Hi, I'm Ed Reyes with Master Builders here in Tampa, Florida. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to teach you the proper use of an electric scroll saw. The first thing you want to do when you're using this machine, after you plug it in safely, there's an on-off switch here. Now, this is not a turn switch, this is a pull and push switch. When the switch is all the way in, it's off. So you want to make sure that this switch is in before you plug the machine in, okay? It's very important. Once you plug the machine in, simply pull on the black knob outwards and the machine starts. This also has a variable setting speed. What that means is I can regulate the amount of speed this blade will go up and down by turning the knob clockwise or counterclockwise. So as I turn it on, I can speed it up, I can slow it down as much as I want, almost all the way down to nothing. That is made, you use this blade at that speed when you're cutting very, very close corners. Now when you're going to cut straight across and make, 1 or 2 inch long cut, you would speed up the speed where you need it. Now, you don't want to get anywhere in this area because it's constantly going up and down, as you'll see. So always keep your hands aside, and remember, keep this knob in before you plug it in.